I almost lost my life on one of these pipes. Just that quick. Okay. Downstairs in our dungeon here, and I have my man displaying what he's rocking with.
What's going on?
What's up, everybody?
All right. This is what I'm working on. Plumber. Working on the building drain.
Okay.
All right. This is 4-inch PVC. I don't know if you can see it. The light. Okay.
Yeah, we can see. Yeah, we good.
All right. This is a mission band. It transitions from cast iron to PVC.
Okay.
All right. And once I attach the good cast iron, then I can start running pipe. It's a clean out right there because I'm gonna put a test ball in there to test everything that I installed. And to make it look professional and inspector know a professional's done it, I run this for all the letters to show.
I got you.
So, and you gotta make sure it's straight.
A nice touch too.
And it has a nice fall. You want the pipe falling towards the sewer line. So it's falling towards the sewer line. It don't look like it,
Coming
but it has
down
like,
nice slope. Okay,
yeah,
I
nice
see.
slope. Okay, you got it. Right here, the way it's dug up.
Hold on now, hold on. I know they done dug 6 feet, but
I'm about to die. So it's coming over.
Okay.
It's catching the first